Good evening, Police Force. It's been one brilliant day. A lot of blue textile today on Wool and Waste Wednesday, and we visited a wood mill. Oh, it was incredible. It was so lovely to see that in production, full production, right here in County Durham, using heritage wood from County Durham, and we've just got going with our heritage wood peg looms, which just, it's a cut, literally, pardon the pun, it's a cut above the rest. It is absolutely, they are absolutely superb and amazing just to compare the processing notes as well. That one is a family business that's ran for generations. Our wool mill is a brand new business, and it's incredible to be comparing the notes on the operations. From wool mill to wood mill in County Durham, heritage processing is still going into our future, and right now we're getting the heritage wood from the northeast, which goes into our looms that we sell on the website. How amazing are these pieces of wood, and also getting ideas for home decoration as well. But this is all in County Durham, all local doors. It's still all here.